Everyone wants to achieve their goals. But what helps us get there? Is it motivation or discipline? Let's find out. First, what is motivation? Motivation is the feeling that pushes you to start something. It is like a spark or excitement. For example, you might feel motivated to exercise because you want to be healthy or look good. Motivation gives you energy and makes you want to take action. But motivation can be short-lived. Sometimes you feel very motivated and other times you don't. It changes depending on your mood, your environment, or how much rest you had. If you rely only on motivation, you might start strong but then stop when motivation fades. Now, what is discipline? Discipline is the habit of doing what you need to do, even when you don't feel like it. Discipline is like a muscle that gets stronger with practice. When you are disciplined, you keep working toward your goals no matter how you feel. Discipline means showing up every day. It means pushing yourself to work even when it's hard or boring. For example, waking up early to study or exercise regularly, even if you don't feel motivated, is discipline. So which one do you need? The truth is, both motivation and discipline are important, but discipline is more reliable. Motivation helps you start, but discipline keeps you going. Think of motivation as the fuel for your car. Discipline is the engine. Without fuel, the car won't move. But without an engine, the car can't run even if you have fuel. Motivation gives you the initial push, but discipline drives your success. If you want to build discipline, start small. Create simple habits. For example, set a fixed time to work or study each day. Don't wait to feel motivated, just start and your discipline will grow. In the end, motivation is great to get excited and start something new. But discipline is what turns your goals into reality. Focus on building discipline and success will follow. If you want to improve your life, choose discipline over motivation. It will take you farther every time.